Hi dear children, good morning. You are ready to study? How are you? Fine. Today we continue the topic multiplication. Okay. All of you know multiplication tables? Numbers 1 to 10? Yes. Today we have to study multiplying a number by 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, etc. Like these multiples of 10. Okay. How can multiply with the numbers 10, 20, 30, etc. Okay. For first question, multiply 2 into 10. What is the answer? 2 tens are 20. Then 5 tens are 5 into 10. 5 tens are 50. 10 tens are 100. Okay, then 12 tens are what? 12 tens are, that is 12 into 10. Yes, here simply multiply 12 and 1. Simply multiply 12 and 1. Okay, here here multiply with these numbers only, avoid this 0. Okay, 0 avoid the numbers matra multiply. So 12 into 1, that is equal to 12. Then last put that 0. Last means what? Right side of the number. Right side of the number we put that 0. How many zeros here? Only 1 0. Okay. The next 22 multiply with 10. Here multiply 22 into 1. 22 into 1. So answer what? 22. Then how many zeros? 1 0. Put that 0 where? Right side of the number. Okay. Then next 45 into 10. Here simply multiply these two numbers. 45 into 1. 45. Any number multiplied with 1 is equal to same number. Then put that 0. How many zeros here? 1 0. Okay. How can multiply? Yes, one number also I give. 125 multiplied with 10. What is the answer? 3-digit number multiplied with the first. Multiply this number and this one. 125 into 1 is equal to yes, 125. Then put 0. Okay. Yes, here we study what? Multiplying a number with 0. Simply how can write? Yes, multiplying a number with 0 means that number and put that given 0 in our 10. Okay. അപ്പോൾ തന്നിരിക്കുന്ന 10ലുള്ള 0യും ആ നമ്പർ കൂടെ എടുത്ത് എഴുതിയാൽ മതി. That is multiplied with 10. Any number multiplied with 10. 5 into 10, that 5 and 0. 10 into 10, 1 into 1, 1. Okay, that 1 and how many zeros here? 1, 2, 2 zeros. So that 2 zeros right there. 12 into 1, 12 and put 1 0. 22 into 1, 22, put 1 0. 45 into 1, that is 45, then put that 0. 125 into 10, then that is 125, that is 125. 125, that is 125 and 0, that is 1250. Okay. Another one number 450 multiplied with 10. 450 multiplied with 10. First write that number 450, then put this 0. Otherwise what? Multiply 45 and 1. What is 45 and 1? 45. Then put these two zeros on the right side of the given number. Okay. First write this in your notebook. Write in your notebook. Yes. Next we have to study multiplying the given number with 20, 30, 40, etc. First we have to study multiplying given number with 10 only. Okay. Here multiply 4 into 20. Here simply multiply 4 and 2. 4 2s are what? 4 2s are 8. Okay, then write 8 and put right side of the number, put 1 0. Okay. Here we get product is equal to 8. Then put the right side of the product 1 0. Why here give 1 0? It is here only 1 0. Okay. Then next 12 into 20. Here multiply 12 and 2. What is 12 2s are? 12 2s are 2 2s are 4. 1 into 2 2. That is 24. 12 2s are 24. Okay. First write that 24. Then put 0 where? On the right side of the given number. That is 240. Next 25 into 20. 25 into 20. First we have to multiply 25 and 2. 25 and 2. 25 into 2 what? 25 into 2. 2 5s are 10. 1 balance. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1 5. Okay. So answer 50. Then put this 0 on the right side of the number. Okay. 500. Next 15 into 30. 15 into 30. First multiply 15 and 3. Okay, what is 15 and 3? Multiply. 5 3s are 50. 1 balance. 1 3 3. 3 plus 1 4. That is 45. Okay. 45. 45. 15 into 3 is equal to 45. Then put this 0 on the right side. Okay, clear. Then next 2 into 40. 2 into 40. Here multiply 2 and 4 only. 4 2s are 8. So answer 80. Okay. Next 6 into 50. 6 5s are 30. Okay. Then put this 0 on the right side. That is answer 300. Next 7 into 60. 7 into 60. Here first multiply 7 and 6. 7 6 are 42. Using our multiplication table. Okay. 7 6 are 42. Then put this 0 on the right side. Next 11 into 90. 11 into 90. Here first we have to multiply 11 into 9. 11 9s are what? 1 into 9, 9, 1 into 9, 9, 99. 11 9s are 99. Then put this 0 on the right side. Okay. Are you clear? How can multiply a number with 10, 20, 30, 40, etc. Is clear? Let's write this question with answers in your notebook. Next, now multiplying a number by 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, etc. That means the given number multiplied with hundreds. Okay. First we have to study multiplying a number with tens. That is tens means 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 90, etc. Okay. Up to 90. Okay. Multiples of 10. Here what? Multiples of multiplying the given number with 100 to that is hundreds. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, etc. Okay. Here first question 4 into 100. That is why given number 4 into 100. Okay. How can multiply? Yes. Number first 10 in multiply multiples of 10 in first multiply given number into that digit. Okay. Except 0. Okay. What is 4 into 1? 4. Then put how many, then count how many zeros here. How many zeros in 100? 2 0. That put that 2 zeros in the right side of the given number. Put that 2 zeros where right side of the given number. Put. Okay. Then next. 7 into 200. What is the answer? 7 into 2 multiplies 7 2s are using multiplication table. 7 2s are yes 40. 7 2s are 40. Then count how many zeros here. How many? 2 zeros. Okay, that 2 0 put where? Right side of the product. Okay, what is our answer? 1400. 1400. Okay, next question. 8 into 300. 8 into 300. First we have to multiply 8 and 3. 8 3s are 24. 8 3s are 24. Then how many zeros here? 2 0. Then 2 0 put right side of the product. Okay, so our answer what? 2400. 2400. Okay, clear. The next multiply 2 into 500. 2 into 500. Here first we have to multiply 2 and 5. 2 and 5. 2 5s are 10. Okay, then how many zeros here balance? How many zeros here have? Yes, 2 0. Put that 2 zeros on the right side of the product. Okay, so what is our answer? Yes, ones, tens, 100, 1000. That is 1000. What is the number? 1000. Okay, we get 2 into 500 equal to 1000. That is 2 times 500 added, we get 1000. 500 plus 500 equal to 1000. That's the mean. Okay, the next 9 into 800. 9 into 800. 9 8s are what? 8 8s are 64. 9 8s are 72. 72. 72. Then put these two zeros on the right side. So we get answer 7200. 7200. Clear? Are you clear? Yes. Next. 4 into 700. 4 into 700. First we have to multiply 4 and 7. 7 4s are as 28. 28. Then put these two zeros. Very simple. Multiplication with the tens and multiplication with the hundreds. Very simple. Okay. Next. 6 into 400. 6 into 4 what? 24. 6 4s are 24. Then how many zeros here? 2 zeros. Answer 2400. 3 into 600. 3 6 are 18. Then put 2 zeros. Answer 1800. Okay. First read the question with answer. 4 into 100 equal to 400. 7 into 200 equal to 1400. 8 into 300 answer 2400. Then 2 into 500 answer 1000. 9 into 800 answer 7200. 4 into 700 answer 2800. 6 into 400 answer 2400. Next. 3 into 600 answer 1800. This is simple way for finding the multiplication answer with the what? Yes, multiplication answer, or that is multiplying with the hundreds, multiplying with the hundreds. അത് ഹൺഡ്രഡ്സുകൾ കൊണ്ട് മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് എങ്ങനെ സിമ്പിൾ ആയിട്ട് മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യാം. ഓക്കെ, ഒരിക്കലും നമ്മൾ 100 into 4 ഇങ്ങനെ എഴുതി ചെയ്യരുത്. ഓക്കെ, ഈ മെത്തേഡ് പോകരുത്. ഓക്കെ, use this simple method. Okay, only mental work only here. Okay, നമുക്ക് മനസ്സിൽ വെച്ച് തന്നെ ആൻസർ ഫൈൻഡ് ചെയ്യാം. ഓക്കെ, യൂസിങ് അവർ മൾട്ടിപ്ലിക്കേഷൻ. ഇപ്പം മൾട്ടിപ്ലിക്കേഷൻ ടേബിൾ അറിയില്ലെങ്കിൽ ഒന്നും ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റില്ല. ഓക്കെ, ഫസ്റ്റ് യു ഹാവ് ടു സ്റ്റഡി മൾട്ടിപ്ലിക്കേഷൻ ടേബിൾ. ഓക്കെ, ടേബിൾ പഠിച്ചതെല്ലാം യൂസ് ചെയ്യാം. ഓക്കെ, റൈറ്റ് ഇൻ യുവർ നോട്ട്ബുക്ക്. Yes, now I give some homework questions for you. Fill in the blanks. First here given multiplying a number with tens and hundreds. Okay, first 7 into 50. This is here multiplication with the tens, that is 50. Here multiplication with the hundreds, 200. Here 60. These two are tens. Here then all these are with the hundreds. Okay. If you understood how can multiply with the numbers with the hundreds and tens? Very simple. Yes. Another homework in your textbook, page number 57. Page number 57. Page number 57. Exercise 3F. All questions. Okay. This is that. Page number 57. Page number 57. Exercise 3F. Fill in the blanks. Okay. Question 6 into 1, 4 into 8. That question with answers write in your textbook only. Okay. This question with answers. Okay. This given question. This question with answers write in your notebook. Are you okay? Let me understand today's class. What we studied today? Yes. First we have to study multiplication. Multiplying given number with the tens. That means a given number with the 10, 20, 30, 40, etc. Okay. Next we have to study multiplying given number with the hundreds. That is 100, 200, 300, etc. Okay. How can multiply? First multiply with that digit except 0. 0 ഒഴിച്ചിട്ടുള്ള right side വരുന്ന 0 ഒഴിച്ചിട്ടുള്ള മറ്റ് numbers multiply ചെയ്യുക. Then we get one product. Then put that. Then we put that 0 where right side of the product. നമുക്ക് കിട്ടുന്ന product ഈ two numbers multiply ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ കിട്ടുന്ന productന്റെ right side ൽ വേണം 0 കൊടുക്കാൻ. ഇവിടെ 20 ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ എന്ത് ചെയ്യും? Right side 20 ചെയ്യും. Okay. Very clear? Yes. Now I will end the class. We will meet again in the next class. Thank you.